Starting a manufacturing business doesn't always require a huge initial investment, and many opportunities exist for aspiring entrepreneurs with limited capital. Several low-cost manufacturing business ideas are perfect for new entrepreneurs looking to enter the market. Let's delve into some of the most promising and accessible ventures. One excellent option is custom t-shirt printing. This business model allows for significant creative freedom and can be launched with a relatively small initial outlay. You'll need a heat press, which is used to transfer designs onto the fabric, a selection of blank t-shirts in various sizes and colors, and a computer equipped with design software. You can design your own graphics or collaborate with artists. The selling platform can range from online stores like Etsy, Shopify, or your own website to local craft fairs and markets. Consider the demand for unique and personalized apparel, catering to specific niches, events, or individual preferences. Another low-investment idea that offers creative potential is soap making. The ingredients for soap are relatively inexpensive, including oils, lye, and essential oils for scent. This allows for experimentation with different scents, colors, and additives, such as herbs and exfoliants, to create unique and marketable products. Proper research into the soap-making process is crucial. You'll also need to ensure compliance with relevant regulations regarding labeling and ingredients. Consider the growing consumer interest in natural and handcrafted products. Soap making can tap into this market effectively. Candle making is a similarly attractive and accessible option. Candles are perennially popular, and the materials, including wax, wicks, and fragrances, are readily available and affordable. Similar to soap making, candle making allows for creative experimentation, creating candles in various shapes, sizes, scents, and colors. Explore different wax types: soy, beeswax, paraffin, and fragrance combinations to offer a diverse product line. The market for candles encompasses both personal use and gift-giving, ensuring consistent demand. If you're creative and have a flair for design, consider handmade jewelry. Beads, wires, clasps, and basic jewelry-making tools are relatively affordable, providing an excellent entry point for new entrepreneurs. You can create necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and rings, selling your creations online through platforms like Etsy or Shopify, at craft fairs, or even through local boutiques. Explore trends in jewelry design, and consider using unique materials to differentiate your products. For those with a knack for crafting and woodworking skills, consider selling handmade crafts like wood crafts, such as picture frames, small decorative items, or custom signs. This business caters to a market that appreciates handcrafted items and personalized gifts. Other DIY projects also offer viable options, ranging from home decor items to unique functional objects. Another compelling option is starting a small-scale food production business, such as producing baked goods, jams, or sauces, provided you comply with all food safety regulations and obtain any necessary permits. Proper food safety training and adherence to hygiene standards are essential. Identify local market demands, and consider selling your products at farmers markets, local stores, or online. This business model can be particularly rewarding for those passionate about cooking. Finally, consider offering digital product manufacturing services, such as 3D printing or laser cutting. These technologies are increasingly accessible and offer opportunities to create custom products for small businesses and individuals. These services cater to prototyping, personalized gifts, and specialized components. Investing in these technologies may require a slightly higher initial investment, but the potential for generating revenue is significant as demand for personalized products continues to grow. Each of these low-investment manufacturing business ideas provides a solid starting point for new entrepreneurs, allowing them to explore their creativity, build a business, and generate income with a manageable initial investment.